Welcome back to Dean's Garage. So the infamous phrase is, it ran when it was parked, right? Yeah, that's what they all say. You know, but the question is, did it run well? Was it leaking like a sieve? Did it have a knock? I mean, what was going on? We don't know. And especially in the case of this Hearse, we really didn't know. There was no gas tank inside it. There was no battery when we bought it. There was no way to even turn that sucker over. So we just bought it blindly. And I remember looking at Sean and I said something to the effect of, what do we do if this thing doesn't run? And Sean just responded nonchalantly, I can make anything fucking run. And that's true. Sean can. I've seen it. So I at least know that in my back pocket I got the right guy. And that's kind of where we're at. So today on Dean's Garage, we're going to show you the day that we found out whether or not this sucker lives. And Sean basically, you know, after we had rebuilt everything we could, he took a Dixie cup, more or less, dumped it into the carburetor, and just told me to start cranking. So will it live? Whatever that is out of my ass. All right. So you just tell me when you want me to stop cranking.
Go ahead and crank it for a little bit.
It ain't cranking, man.
Is it in park? For sure?
Good call. This is the way we do shit around here. Okay, you just tell me how long you want it cranked.
Yeah, just crank it for like 5 seconds.
Okay.
Let loose, crank it for another 5.
Copy.
Do it like 2 more times. That should get oil up. We're pulling good vacuum. All
Say,
right.
I'm smelling gasoline in here.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead and try her.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's trying.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Fucking lives! Sounds like shit, but it lives! Ah! Okay. That's how you do it on Dean's Garage. Fuck it. Success! It lives. Man, that was a weight off our shoulders. You know, knowing that you actually have a viable engine and transmission inside a car that's been basically a paperweight with you for a year, 2.5 years with Ace. I mean, there was no way to describe the elation we had. So, yeah, it lives. Fan-freaking-tastic. That means when the time comes, we can drive that sucker off of here, and we are going to be able to leave Site B in style. But that's where we're stopping today for Dean's Garage. If you're feeling frisky, please like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. I'm not here to be YouTube famous. I'm literally here to show my family around the country what we're doing. If you're here and you're not family, guess what? We're friends now. I'm happy you're here because, you know what, this is mainly just to have for our own enjoyment. But if we can give some other people enjoyment, we're very happy to have you here. So this is me signing out for Dean's Garage. Later.
You've killed the Satan man!